As the clock strikes midnight on New Year's Eve, there is a unique energy in the air, a sense of new beginnings, fresh starts, and the opportunity to manifest our deepest desires. And this year, the significance of the date is amplified by the presence of the angel number 123, 123. Harnessing the power of numerology, we can unlock the hidden messages and guidance that this sequence holds, allowing us to embark on a spiritual journey towards enlightenment and manifestation. In this video, we will delve into the profound meaning behind the angel number 123, 123, and explore how it can help us trust in the universe's plan and manifest our dreams in the new year, 2024. So, let's dive in and discover the magic that awaits us on this special New Year's Eve. The date, 12/31/23, holds a unique and significant sequence of numbers, which can be represented as 123, 123. In numerology, the sequence 123 is associated with new beginnings and a call to action. It signifies the start of something and energizes us to take action towards our goals. Angel numbers such as 123, 123 are recurring numbers or numerical sequences that are believed to carry divine messages from the universe. When these numbers appear in our lives, especially in important dates like New Year's Eve, their spiritual significance becomes more collective or universal in nature. Each digit in the sequence 123 has its own meaning. The number 1 represents beginnings and new opportunities, while the number 2 is connected to our emotions and the enjoyment of life. The number 3 symbolizes creativity, self-expression, and communication. When we combine these meanings, the sequence 123, 123 becomes a powerful symbol of starting anew, embracing our emotions, and expressing ourselves more freely. Friends, as the embers of 2023 dwindle and the promise of a fresh year shimmers on the horizon, what better way to usher in the new than by harnessing the potent energy of manifestation? And what better tool to amplify your desire than the humble yet powerful element of salt? Salt, with its crystalline purity and ancient wisdom, has long been revered for its cleansing and protective properties. It's no surprise, then, that it finds its way into countless manifestation rituals, its ability to absorb and transmit energy, making it a potent ally in attracting your dreams. Why is New Year's Eve, 31st December 2023, so special for this practice? This particular New Year's Eve holds a unique cosmic charge thanks to the repeating numbers in the date, 12/31/23. The number 12 signifies completion and fresh starts, making it the perfect time to release what no longer serves you and plant the seeds of your new desired reality. The 31 pulsates with an adventurous spirit, urging you to step outside your comfort zone and embrace new possibilities. And the 23 radiates creative energy and abundance, a potent combination for attracting your heart's desires. Here's how you can harness the magic of salt on this special New Year's Eve. Step 1. Cleanse and prepare. Begin by creating a sacred space in your home. Light candles, incense, or diffuse calming essential oils to create a serene atmosphere. Gather your materials: a bowl of sea salt, a small container of water, a pen and paper, and a candle. Cleanse the bowl and the container with smoke from the incense or candle flame. This purifies the space and prepares it for your intention. Step 2. Set your intention. Take some quiet time to reflect on your deepest desires for the new year. What do you truly wish to manifest? Write down your intention on a piece of paper in the present tense as if it has already come to pass. For example, I am filled with joy and gratitude as I receive my dream job. Fold the paper and place it in the bowl of sea salt. The salt will absorb your intention, holding it close and ready to be transmitted to the universe. Step 3. Infuse with gratitude. Sprinkle a few drops of water into the salt, allowing it to dissolve and mingle with your written intention. As you do, express your gratitude for the abundance and joy already present in your life. Gratitude is a powerful attractor, and acknowledging what you already have opens the door to receiving even more. Step 4. Light the flame. Light the candle and hold it over the bowl of salt and water. Imagine the flame's light activating your intention, sending it out into the universe with the warmth of your gratitude. Let the candle burn for a few minutes, visualizing your desire taking shape and coming to fruition. Feel the excitement and joy of your manifestation as if it is already your reality. Step 5. Release and trust. Once the candle has burned down, blow it out and gently stir the salt and water with your finger. This final act symbolizes releasing your desire to the universe, trusting that it is now on its way to you. Leave the bowl of salt and water on your altar or in a special place where it can serve as a reminder of your intention throughout the year. But what is the significance of salt in this manifestation practice? Okay, let me tell you. Salt plays a crucial role in this manifestation ritual for several reasons. Salt has long been used for its cleansing properties. In this ritual, it helps to clear away any negativity or limiting beliefs that might be holding you back from your desires. Salt's ability to preserve food extends to the realm of manifestation. It helps to solidify your intention and keeps it focused until it comes to fruition. The crystalline structure of salt makes it an excellent conductor of energy. It readily absorbs your intention and transmits it to the universe, amplifying its power. Salt also has grounding properties, helping to keep you connected to the present moment and preventing you from getting lost in worry or doubt. Friends, the true magic of manifestation lies not just in the salt, but in the unwavering belief you hold in your heart. So, as you light the candle on this special New Year's Eve, let the flames ignite your dreams. Infuse the salt with your deepest desires and trust that the universe is listening. Step into the new year with open arms, ready to receive the abundance that awaits. Various cultures and traditions have specific rituals and practices associated with this phenomenon. Some people may choose to perform certain actions or say specific prayers to harness the energy of these numbers. New Year's Eve is not just a time for parties and celebrations. It is also a powerful opportunity for spiritual growth and manifestation. The energy of a new year offers a fresh start and a chance to align ourselves with our desires and intentions. Calculating your personal year number can give you insights into the energy and themes that will be prevalent in your life in the upcoming year. Numerology can offer guidance and help you make conscious choices that align with your personal growth. If you want us to make a video on this, please write in the comment section below. Another powerful ritual to engage in on New Year's Eve is energy cleansing. As we bid farewell to the old year, it is essential to clear away any stagnant or negative energy to make space for new, aligned energy to flow into our lives. Smoke cleansing, also known as smudging, is a popular method for energy cleansing. Burning sage or other sacred herbs can help purify the environment and release any unwanted energy. Journaling and reflection exercises can be valuable practices on New Year's Eve. Taking the time to reflect on the past year, acknowledge our growth and accomplishments, and identify areas for improvement can help us set meaningful goals for the future. Journaling allows us to connect with our inner selves and gain clarity on what we truly want to manifest in the coming year. And that's a wrap, my friends. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. If you enjoyed the content, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. We value your thoughts, so don't hesitate to share them in the comment section below. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and stay blessed. And as the clock strikes midnight, let us welcome the magic and possibilities of the new year, and let us manifest anything our hearts desire. Happy New Year!